Happy birthday, Robin!
God bless.
Ingat ka palagi. Sana lumaki kang
Love
mabuti.
you.
Huwag kang gagaya dito. Tita mo.
Sana magkaroon ka ng magandang future at good health. Love ka namin ni Lola Lydia. Ako naman si Lola Rosie.
Just hold on, you got a ways to go. Gotta hold your life to get it right. And honey, don't be scared of feeling wild. But your kids on the run, we've only just begun. We've just begun. We've just begun. At a crossing in
Happy
the
birthday,
road.
Robin! Sana lumaki kang magandang
I don't know which way to go,
bata, gwapo at matalino. I love you!
when I'm alone. See the sun across the bend.
Happy birthday, Bingbing! God bless! Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging healthy ka at maging mabait na bata. Yun lang, I love you!
Begun.
Happy birthday, Robin!
Love you. Lumaki kang
Gwapo!
gwapo at mabait na bata. Matalino. Di ba, Bing, no? Natatawa, oh. Di ba? Love you.
Pushing away only gets me closer. Falling fast, can we move it slower? I know I'm not getting out alive. Why would I even wanna try? 'Cause I'm stuck to you. 'Cause
Happy birthday,
Robin!
Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. At pangako namin na pagsisikapan namin yung kinabukasan mo tsaka sa paglaki mo. Sana maging mabuti kang bata. At maging masaya ka, masigla, at masunurin. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mama mo. I love you.
always find myself coming back for more. Always coming back for more, for more, for more. Throw me in the water. Anybody else would do. Throw me in the water. I was never really good for you. I know
Robin, ang ito lang masasabi ko. Sobrang mukha kong pinasaya. Sobrang mukha kami pinasaya ng magulang mo. Ikaw yung pinakamagandang regalo talaga sa amin.
'Cause I'm stuck to you. 'Cause I'm stuck to you.
Happy birthday, anak! Mahal na mahal ka namin ng papa mo. At di lang kami ng papa mo, syempre ng pamilya natin. Wish ko na sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at maging masinurin sa mga nakakatanda sa'yo. Tsaka maging masayahing bata. Tsaka syempre, maging healthy ka. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you!